Well, we have more breaking news just coming in. The Delhi High Court has again pulled up the centre over the crisis of oxygen. High Court is telling the centre the facts and figures presented by the Delhi government are a matter of fact. You should hand over the distribution of tankers to an IIT or an IIM. They'll do a much better job. So that's a wrap on the centre essentially, with the High Court saying that if you can't do your job, then hand this over to IIT or IIM. The centre said 433 metric ton of oxygen reached Delhi at midnight. Over 200 metric tons reached by 8:15 early this morning. Well, this oxygen is not enough. Even with 420 metric tons, people are dying. Centre calls it rhetoric. High Court takes strong objection against the centre, referring to deaths as a rhetoric. The High Court has wrapped the centre. How can you be so insensitive? Is this merely rhetoric? How can you say this? It's highly unfortunate. High Court has told the centre, you may be blind, but we are not. Nalini Sharma is getting us more details on that story. Nalini, the High Court coming down just so heavily on the centre, saying that you can't call deaths rhetoric. You are insensitive, you are blind, we aren't.
Well, Sneha, there were some facts and figures put forth by the Delhi government, not only regarding the oxygen tankers that are available in the country right now, but also regarding how much capacity of oxygen can be carried by these tankers. And it was shown by the Delhi government that there was an excess of oxygen tankers, more than the requirement of all of the states combined in the country, which means that despite the tankers being available, they were not being deployed correctly. So several states were still gasping for oxygen. In regard to that, the centre opposed what the Delhi government was saying that the facts and figures need to be cross-checked by them before they can be taken on record. But the High Court went on to observe that these facts and figures were in fact part of the Supreme Court record, the order that had come in, the detailed 64-page order that they had passed late on Sunday night. In addition to that, the centre also went on to call the deaths that are happening in the national capital that the Delhi government was referring to a mere rhetoric, where a very strong objection was taken by the High Court judges, where they said that the centre cannot act in such an insensitive manner where they are calling the deaths in the national capital a mere rhetoric. The High Court also went on to tell them that you may be blind to what is happening on the ground, but we are not. We are getting facts and figures every day, and that is essentially why the High Court is going into minute details to resolve this entire issue. So it remains to be seen now what happens in the post-lunch session, because the High Court clearly told the centre that it is your responsibility to provide the oxygen. There is an order in place by the Supreme Court, and you have to honour it.
Nalini.
It doesn't matter by whatever means you get the oxygen, you have to do the national capital.
All right, Nalini, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Nalini Sharma with that report from Delhi High Court.